Today, I'll be showing you guys how to do ombre French nails. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You will need sponge-like material and 2 polishes. Take the polish and polish it across the sponge. Instagram is in the description below. Then, when you've got a good amount, put it on your nail. And there you have it, ombre. Just a little side note, I didn't clean around my nails right now. I will do it before the end of the video. When you think you've got enough polish, you will press this one on your next nail. And you will continue to do this on the rest of your nails until you're done. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.